Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, we need to start with our markets, and the reason is because yesterday we saw a substantial sell off in our markets. The market was like around 17,650, 680 levels. From there, all the way, it opened to the levels of 17,800, and it retested the levels of 17,850, 880 during the day. But from there we saw vertical sell off in the market, and the market has broken its previous day's lowest level, which was around 17,640. It closed at the lowest point of the day, and the broad base market was completely on the downside. We saw a huge amount of profit taking in almost all sectors at higher levels, and global factors which are affecting to the emerging markets are still not in our favor. Crude is still trading above the levels of 80. Dollar index is above 94.25, and bond yield is around 1.53. So all these factors are negative for our markets, and based on these factors we should be careful in the market. Yes, today Singapore Nifty is indicating us that we are going to see higher opening close to 130, 135 points higher as compared to its previous close, but we are of the view that if there is any higher opening, then we should look for exiting out of weak long positions or from the positions which are in losses till the market is not crossing 17,950, which was its previous highest level. We are going to see either selling or profit taking at higher levels. Even if we go through with FIS positions, then they are net sellers in the market. They are consistently selling in the equities, and on the FNO side also they have reduced their gross long positions substantially. So they have huge amount of put options, but they have reduced substantially index futures as well as call options, which they bought in the last 10-15 days. So today after higher opening we may see some correction in the market, but in case if we see the market is breaking the level of 17,580, then we can expect further more weakness, and in that case the possibilities of hitting 17,500, 450 would turn bright. So if there is higher opening, certainly we should look for exiting out of weak long positions, and otherwise if we see the market is sustaining above the levels of 17,700, then we may look for adding some stocks with a very short term view, and for that we need to focus on either technology companies or selected banks, because tomorrow we are going to witness, or we have to face the credit policy. So that will keep the momentum little bit sideways, but because it's a day of expiry, we need to be careful at higher levels. Friends, that's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a wonderful day to all of you.